Oh. Is that on? Yeah? Okay, thank God. First off, got the vaccine? Yes, who's going shot? Totally got it. Next, more importantly, got another package in the mail. So I wasn't part of 10 years, but I wanted to be. 3 years ago, as of Monday, 3 days ago, went ahead and bought my first pair of Adapts. This is with them. They, as you can see, have seen some miles that are pretty destroyed. And good faithful soldiers can't say enough good about these. There's thousands of miles, 3 8As. Oh, and an A to A to A, yeah, on these. So kind of need to finally upgrade. So without further ado, go ahead and box these bad boys. Here. Right. Also, DHL, thank you, Peter. 2 days early getting here. Alright. So what we got? Oh, okay. See, presentation, just so you can see what they did in the box to start off with. Like, it's even facing the way you open it. Okay, that's pretty good. Now we got a book of directions. I know the skates gonna be in here. T-shirt. Okay, it's actually this nice T-shirt. One of those like free swag T-shirts. Big 10th anniversary, actual gold flake. Reminds me of a Roll ATL T-shirt. Shout out Tisha, you know what I'm talking about. I got the shirt. Here. My bag. Same flash. You know me, I'm about the hardware. All about the goodies and hardware. Okay, so. Bet this is the book. Yeah, that's the book. 2 posters. 2 posters. Swag out with posters. Go. Oh, so don't forget. Shout out to Bill. I just heard you got your own skate. Saw the pictures of it online. That looks super hot, Bill. Like, I love getting to skate with you. I hope to skate with you again, with yours, with some of my own. They're pretty hot. So the travel restrictions back. All right, cool. Speaking of Bill, okay. I saw on his thing that they have grind plates. God, I have to figure out how to mount these. Okay, those stopper things. That's cool. What else we got? Stickers. We got these are the plate protector things. Yep, little protector right here for the metal here. Oh, scissor stick. Aw, it's an actual monogrammed metal card. Thanks, Pieter and Olga. Put that somewhere. Let's frame up the thing. What else we got? Ooh, okay. These look like, oh, okay. They're frame risers / spacer blocks. I got a pair of these that I've made myself for the hardware store, but it's 3D printed out of the same resin material as these. Okay. So more spacer frame block adapter pieces. As you can even see by my own, I keep making my own. So this would be really cool. See what this looks like. More screws, nuts, and bolts. What's this one? Oh, I actually ordered along with these. Instead of they're new, it's UFS to 165, and they're 165 5mm riser spacer blocks. Because I keep making my own, so I figured I'd order the real ones. Okay. 3D printed. It's lighting, it's got extra holes. I like that. They recess the holes so it's a little bit different. So that means it uses the same ones as the, okay. It uses the same ones as the Quattro Mount. Pretty cool. More nuts and bolts. I love their nuts and bolts, by the way. They're so good. All right, so check out the book. We're getting to them. We're getting to it. All right. Where's the paper? Here. Here. Oh, that's a note. Actual hardbound, real legit book. Oh, okay. There's some secrets in here. Like, ooh. They have some stuff in here that y'all haven't quite seen yet about some of the production stuff. Okay. Ooh, ooh. Okay, there's some secrets in this book. We'll be studying this later, like a lot. Okay, all right. To the good stuff, to the good stuff. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Okay. Right there, and then let's see. I know I'm supposed to talk at this point, but like, first off, the smell, like, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Another written tag. Thanks again, Pieter and Olga. Gold highlights. Carbon Kevlar base on this one. So I believe he's done multiple layers of carbon fiber with a couple of different layers. So he's probably doing 3-1-3-1. Let's ask him about that to find out. Okay. Oh, you can see the new Quattro mount inside here that he's been talking about. It's now aluminum. Very cool. You know, lace holes which are different sizes. I like that. The tongue construction is a little bit different. Okay. There's so much more padding at the top and on these ones. Oh, it's gonna be so nice over the top. As you can see, like on the old ones, I've been worn these out all the way down. That's gonna help so much. Oh, so come on here, side by side. Slimmer. Okay, as you can see, I'm faded mine. All right. Back there. Actual metal attachments. Oh man, these are going to the oven tonight. I'm gonna heat all these babies immediately. Oh. I don't know what else to say right now. Like I'll probably do like a write-up and more post about mounting different things, and I really want to start hacking into them, like trying all the different stuff on them. Oh, thanks, Peter. Thanks, Olga. Like, gonna put so many miles on these. Gonna use the crap out of them. Like, I cannot wait. Total upgrade over the last generations. They look so good. I mean, y'all see the gold highlights? See that right there? I mean, it's special, man. Yeah. Thanks again, Adapt. And we're good. Shout out to Bill. I hope you have fun again, dog. Oh, forgot to. Shout out Trish. Hope to see you out there sometime, Trish. See y'all.